If we want to calculate the quick ratio, we again have a very simple formula, which is a little different from the formula of current ratio. The formula of quick ratio is current assets minus inventories, and the result is divided by current liabilities. And all these items are available in the balance sheet of the company. Let us locate all these items for the year 2018. We have already located the total current asset and total current liabilities. Now let us locate the inventory. You can see it is here. So let me highlight it. Now, if we follow this formula in Microsoft Excel for the year 2018, starting with the equal sign, the bracket starts, then go to the BS, current asset, minus, click the cell containing the inventories, bracket close, divided by the cell containing total liabilities. Then press the return key or enter. You get the quick ratio for the year 2018. And if you just copy the formula to the adjacent cell for the year 2017, you get the quick ratio for the year 2017. Both of these two are actually quick ratio. We can see that the quick ratio has decreased in 2018 compared to that in 2017. Thank you very much.